Me what I felt about what was going on in this country and how things would unfold and whether I'm worried or not. The answer to the question is yes, I am worried. And let me tell you what I believe is happening. There are four major forces in this country today. I'll call them four horns. Two are in the southwest. One is in the east. And the fourth one is Buhari, and he represents the north. Now in the southwest, you have two horns, very powerful, aggressive, focused, and very, very committed horns. In the persons of Gani Adams, who is the Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò, and the other is Sunday Igboho, who, by any standard, is the hero of millions. Exceptionally tough young man. Now, these two forces, they represent the heart, soul, and mind and spirit of the Yoruba people. They cannot be stopped. They're not politicians. They cannot be intimidated. They cannot be threatened. They're extremely focused, and both of them, if sufficiently provoked, the kind of mass following they have, their readiness to die for their cause, they're extremely dangerous. Thankfully, they're good men, and men that simply want a fair deal in a wider Nigeria for our people. Also men that are committed to the cause of Oduduwa Republic once it is clear that there can be no fair deal in a wider Nigeria. They're totally committed to that. In fact, they're simply waiting for the integrationists to offer a better deal. Outside of that, they're leaving. And when they decide to go, it would take a war to stop them. And they have the hearts of the people. In the east, you have Nnamdi Kanu. I know him, exceptionally tough, very courageous, and he has a massive following. Absolutely massive. I call him the third horn. I call him the Tiger of the East. Exceptionally tough man and inspirational. And if there is to be an election in the East or in Biafra tomorrow, he would win hands down. He has the hearts, minds, and souls of the people, and he's fighting for his people. Then you go up north, and you go, before I get to the president, you go to the middle belt. There's a man who's a good friend of mine. He was at Oxford. Brilliant man, Obadiah Malafia. Obadiah is not a freedom fighter as such. He's not a man that is committed to any form of violence.
Yoruba ó pa mí lẹ́kún gbogbo ìgbà tí ń bá rántí pé Yoruba ni mí gbogbo ẹni tí bá máa ń pariwo tí wọn láwọn ń sọpọ́ọ̀tì èèyàn majority wọn lọ́jà lábòsí. Ẹ wọ̀rọ̀ gbọ̀rọ̀ Sunday Igboho ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ wò bá mi ṣe rọ́ padà gìrìgì láwọn tó jẹ́ pé àwọn ni wọ́n ń ṣe òsánà lánàá àwọn ni wọ́n ń pariwo ẹ̀kan mọ́gi lónìí nínú ọmọ Yorùbá náà ni mélòó ni Haúsá tó sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Sunday Igboho torí àmọ̀ yìí pẹ́yìn náà lẹ́sìnra yín okùn ayíkítí ni wọ́n fi dá ayíkítí nítorí pé àwọn kan ó ran kan nú ọba pé àwọn ò rí nǹkan gbà ní Sokoto àwọn kan ó rò nínú àwọn olóṣèlú pé kán lè bá a fáwọn ní slot l'Abuja wọ́n takò wọ́n sọ yìí pé ẹ mú lọ́dí kí ara rẹ tí wọ́n di ọmọlẹ̀ ìwọ náà ti kọjá ìyá rẹ ní ti ń jẹran Yorùbá ni. Sunday Igboho sà ó dùn mí pé majority tí mo wí ò tẹ̀lé ẹni ọba mọ bí tọrọ ó ṣubú sí lọ́tà ọlọ́rọ̀ àwọn kan bẹ nínú ìrìn àjò ayé bó ṣe lè wù kẹ́dà ó lágbára tó àwọn kan bẹ ọmọ pẹ́ wọn lẹ̀ ní òní fèsì wọn nínú ìjà tó bá ń wa mọ́tò lọ ní one way ọ̀ ń wa mọ́tò lọ ní one way adúpẹ́ tí wọn ò mú Igboho ni tí wọn bá mú ní ẹgbẹ̀rún release Igboho wà láì kò release ẹ̀ ọ̀ ń wa mọ́tò lọ ní one way ní trailer bá overtake ìpàdé ẹ̀ tètè claim gbọ́mọ claim right bí trailer bá lọ tán padà sójú ọ̀nà àwọn trailer èèyàn ń bẹ láyé trailer èèyàn ń bẹ láyé jàmọ́ bóòrùn bá mú ọ̀kan nínú òwe tí mo gbọ́ lẹ́nu bàbá mi ni Ọlọ́run bá ń foríjì bàbá mi bóòrùn bá mú èèyàn sá sábẹ́ bòjì ni abẹ́ bòjì tẹ̀dá máa ń sá sí ọ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ kí náà jò ń bẹ̀ àwọn kan ń bẹ láyé bá a bá ń jagun ayé lọ ọ pé àwọn sẹ́gbẹ́ kan ni aráyé ọmọ sọ pé orí ọmọ sọ pé àwọn bàbá wa nu ẹsà fi wọn lẹ̀ à ń padà bọ̀ wá bá wọn torí pọ̀ ọmọ pọ̀ padà nídìí wọn jọ kan ìran Yorùbá ẹja ronú bí Sunday Igboho bá sick kò sí ẹni tí ó tún dìde lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn mọ́ láyé àfi ká dìde ó tásìkò gbogbo Yorùbá ẹja gbàgbé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tá a bá ṣẹra wa gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọba tí wọ́n ti bú lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí mo fi ọba tó níyìn bẹ̀yìn ẹ dákun ẹ gbàgbé ẹ̀ Sunday Igboho gbọ́dọ̀ bá bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ kò gbọ́dọ̀ bá bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ẹ má jẹ́ kí wọ́n fi balance equation kanu kò jọra wọn ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tí wọ́n ṣẹ̀ ò jọra wọn wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ fi Sunday balance kanu ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ní tí wọ́n ṣe ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ní tí wọ́n ṣẹ̀ ìjà Yorùbá ni Sunday Igboho gbé